To test the Philippine Army's capability in combined arms operations for national defense and deterrence against potential threats, the Philippine Army conducted live fire exercises on Friday as part of the Combined Arms Training Exercise, or CATEX Katihan, in Capas, Tarlac. This marks the first time that the Philippine Army has deployed its Sabra light tanks in a field training exercise. PTV's Patrick De Jesus has the details.
The powerful blast of the new Sabra light tank echoed across Grove Valley at Colonel Rabina Air Base in Capas, Tarlac. This was part of the live fire exercises on Friday for the Philippine Army's Combined Arms Training Exercise, or CATEX Katihan. This marks the first time the Philippine Army has used its Sabra light tanks in a field training exercise. These tanks were officially accepted just last year, purchased from Israel as part of the AFP modernization program under Horizon 2. The Army also fired 155mm howitzers and other weapons.
Any armor platform provides you the advantages of speed, firepower, and protection. These are essential capabilities that you need, especially when you're going into mobile warfare. So they are lethal in both the offense and also in the defense.
CATEX Katihan tests the Army's capability in combined arms operations to defend the national territory and deter any invasion, in line with the land defense concept. This exercise is also aligned with the Armed Forces' priority on external defense, amid rising geopolitical tensions in the region.
Well, all of this is really intended to prepare us for external defense. So when you are already doing this at the component level, so ground operations, we will link that up at the joint, so we will also be exercising together with the maritime and the air components.
CATEX Katihan is also part of the country's preparations for this year's Balikatan exercises, set to begin in April, expected to be the largest in history.
This Balikatan for this year, it will be our full battle test. So we will be executing the concept of operations for our bilateral defense of the sovereignty of the Philippines.
Like last year, Balikatan will not just be between the Philippines and the US, as Australia, Japan, and other nations are also expected to participate. More observers from ASEAN and European countries will also be present. From the People's Television Network, Patrick De Jesus, Balitang Pambansa.